Hey, Carla Silva here from my very favorite place to work, which is my backyard. It is gorgeous this time of year here in Palm Springs. I just wanted to share with you one of the most fabulous wins that I've experienced in my Empower Network business so far, and that is that I am not on the phone prospecting. My entire corporate career, almost 20 years, I spent 4 or 5 hours a day. I was a salesperson, 4 or 5 hours a day prospecting on the phone. In the home-based business industry, since 2004, I've spent 4 or 5 hours a day, 4 or 5 days a week, every single week, prospecting on the phone. I feel lazy almost. I have people getting started in my business every single day, and I haven't spoken to any of them. All of them simply go through the sales funnel that Dave and Dave have put together for me and the rest of the company, and they get started. And you know what that leaves me free to do? It leaves me free to help someone get their business started. It leaves me free to enjoy my life. It leaves me free to play golf in the afternoons. It leaves me free to take Pilates or to spend time with my husband or my family. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Take your time, do your due diligence, and if you've been on the phone prospecting for your company or your business for the past however many years, you will love Empower Network. Have a fantastic day.